Went to the motor shop because our motorcycle is broken and we need to fix it. Then right after that, we're going there to the salon. And right after, it's a small restaurant for our lunch. Yeah, actually we enjoyed the food there. We are, yeah, we're just the two of us. Actually, guys, my sister invited me to go there at the ranch resort because that's the Marlins. Today is Marlins birthday, but yeah, I don't want to go there because it's very hot, everyone, and yeah, it's very hot, and you know, we're actually full na, guys. Yeah, and we're left behind. We're left behind to the ranch resort. Then I ordered the food where the restaurant closer to the salon. And I actually enjoy the food much. Then, right after, we will go there to the market to buy something like our needs and for the needs of myself, personal needs, and also for my son's needs. Yeah. And then I actually bought some, Mountain Dew to, to cater my, mm, it's to cater my kuan, cravings because it's very hot. You know. Then that's the Sunday went for us, the two of us. Bye bye. Until next time, everyone. Hope you enjoy this video because I cannot do live. I cannot do live, guys, because my internet connection is very bad. And hoping you all the best and happy Sunday to all. And thank you so much for the support and support for my channel, and to all my lovely subscribers, happy Sunday to all, and God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye bye until the next time, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. Bye guys. Have a blessed Sunday to all. Bye bye.